Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn exercise 4 from the chapter perimeter and area. Children, in this exercise we are going to learn about the concept area, and we are going to learn how to find the area of the shapes rectangle and square. First, let us recall the formula, then we will find out the area. So, the formula to find out the rectangle is length and breadth square units. So, to find out the area of a rectangle, the formula is length into breadth square units. In simply we can write this L into B square units. So, we no need to write in all the place in the full form. You just write L into B square units. And the next formula to find out the area of a square, the formula is side into side square units. We can write S into S square units also. So, for a rectangle, the formula is L into B square units, and for the square, formula is side into side square units. So, to find out the area for a rectangle, we need two measurements. One is the length and the another one is breadth. But for the square, only one measurement is needed, that is a side. So, in the exercise, we are going to find out the area of each figure. Listen children, it is a rectangle shape, right? We need length and breadth to find out the area. But here only the shape is given. In this case, we want to find out the length and breadth. Then we can find out the area. Now let us find the length and breadth of the given shape. Listen children, here let us take a small square. The area of the small square is 1 square centimeter, or we can write 1 centimeter square also. So, the area of a small square is 1 centimeter square, and each side is 1 centimeter long. So, this side is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So, we are going to use the side and we will find out the length and breadth. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, 4 sides. So, we are going to take 4 centimeter as breadth, and here we have one side, that is the length and breadth. We got it. Let us find the area of the given shape. Length equal 4 centimeter and the breadth equal 1 centimeter. So, now we got the length and breadth. We will substitute these values in the formula. Yes, it is a rectangle shape. So, we are going to use the formula area of a rectangle. Write down the formula first. Area of a rectangle. The formula is L into B square units. So, here the value of length is 4 and the breadth is 1. So, you have to multiply the numbers 4 and 1, and you have to write the unit centimeter square. So, 4 ones are 4 centimeter square. Listen children, you must write the unit along with the number. So, here the answer is 4 centimeter square. Let us write the answer. Perimeter equals 4. Sorry, it is not a perimeter, it is an area. area equals 4 centimeter square. Let us move to the next question. Look at the given shape. It is also a rectangle. We are going to find out the length, then breadth, and then we'll substitute these values in the formula. So here we have two sides. So it is 2 centimeter long. So length of the given shape is 2 centimeter. And look at the next side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the breadth is 5 centimeter. Now we got the measurements for length and breadth. Let us substitute in the formula. It is a rectangle shape. So let us use the area of the rectangle formula. Area of rectangle equal L into B square units. Here the value of L, that is length, 2 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. You have to write the unit centimeter square. What will you get if you multiply 2 and 5? 2 5s are 10. So 10 centimeter square is the area of the given rectangle. Let us write the answer. Area of the given rectangle is 10 centimeter square. So look at the next question. Here the shape of the given picture is a square. So here also we need to find out the side. If it is a square, we need to find only the side, because the length and breadth will be equal in a square. So it is enough to find only the side. So 1, 2, 3. 3 centimeter is the side of a given square. So side equals 3 centimeter. So what is the formula to find out the area of a square, children? It is area of a square equals side into side square units. Side into side square units. So here the side is 3 centimeter and multiply the same number 3 into 3 centimeter square. So 3 3s are, what will you get? It is 9 centimeter square. So the area of the given square is 9 centimeter square. Let us write the answer. Area of the given square is 9 centimeter square. Let us recall the formulas to find the area of a rectangle and square. Area of a rectangle is length and breadth square units, and area of a square is side into side square units. So you just remember this formula when you are finding the area of the given shapes. I hope the concept is clear. Yes, we'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.